What's good, everybody? This is your boy Rob, aka RP3 Tech Reviews, out at CES 2019. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Phone Tech at Work for allowing me to hang out with you guys and work with you at CES and allow me to have time to do my own videos for my channel. First up, as you see, I have the FlexPai foldable phone from Royole. Now this is a tablet sized phone that measures out to 7.8 inch and it is an AMOLED panel. When folded, you got two displays. One display with a 16.9 aspect ratio and the other with a slightly extended 18.9 aspect ratio. Now this phone has been tested out to have over 200,000 bins, and it does come with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 855 chipset. It will arrive with Android Pie, so that's good, and you can get this phone in two variants, a 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, or either with 128 gigabytes of storage or 256, with a price point starting at $1,300. This phone does have a magnetic clasp in the back to help keep it together, and it does come with two cameras on board, a 16 megapixel and a 20 megapixel camera. Now this phone is already available in China, but hasn't made its way to the States as of yet. So it may be only available as an import product only. It is yet to be seen that if Amazon will be carrying this phone on their website. If you like this video, stay tuned to my channel for more coverage from CES. Other than that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.